In this quick video, you will learn how to replace the battery in your Mitsubishi Eclipse key fob. I think most of you out there that have the Eclipse, you'll have the same key that I have here, but without this trunk button. But it doesn't matter which one you have. If you have the trunk button, if you don't have the trunk button, the process is going to be exactly the same, and the battery inside is the same as well. So just follow along with me here, and we will get a new battery in your device in under 5 minutes. The only thing you will need is a CR1620 battery, just one of those, and a flathead screwdriver, just a regular flathead that you might have lying around the house. So the first step is to find right where the key is, right next to the key. There is a slot in the plastic. We're going to take our flathead, insert it in there, and just gently twist until you feel these two halves separate. Now you want to, I think the button's in here, yes. If we could just backtrack for a moment. When you open this thing up, have the top facing down. So just you're going to be lifting off this whole back section with the key there, and then lifting out this box. The battery is in there. We're going to get to that next. But I just wanted to show you that because these little buttons do fall out. It'd be kind of annoying to put back in. So just carefully set that down so we can save some time and avoid those falling out. Now we can come over here to this component, and you want to look on the bottom, and you can see there's another one of those little openings that we can use our tool to open up. So just put it in there and twist, pull this apart, and there is our battery. We can just finally use the same tool to gently pry the battery up and out. Now go ahead and dispose of your old battery, grab your new CR1620 battery, and when we're putting the new battery in, we want the positive side that has this text and information on there to be facing down. So you will just snap it into place, positive side down, and now we can go about reassembling everything. So take these two parts here, snap them back together, and now you can carefully pick up the front of your device. You can see there's this part sticking out there that's going to fit right into that hole in the front. So just settle that in there, and then go ahead and set the back on there, squeeze it all back together, and then you can go and verify that your battery is working and that you did everything correctly by just checking to see that that light comes on when you press the button. And that's really all it takes. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope it saved you a couple bucks so you don't have to go down to the dealership and get your key fob fixed. So if this helped you out, feel free to let me know down in the comments, because I'd love to hear your feedback. And you can also let us know just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your keys, we have you covered on this channel with tutorials just like this one for the devices for almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information and more over at our website, FobBattery.com.